apply section of the lesson, children are given the opportunity to independently apply what they have learnt during the main teacher input. ELS does have high expectations, and that's because we know with high quality first teaching and given the opportunity, children can succeed. We don't put a ceiling on what our children can do or achieve. With this in mind, the intention of the apply activities is to allow children to have a go at reading more independently. In reception though, the intention is for them to be able to identify that new GPC taught that day, to say it, to see it, and to trace it. Moving on from there, when the children are looking at those longer extracts or those pages where there are sentences for children to read, you may choose to just focus on reading one word or one caption or one sentence and building this up over time. You know your class best. We also know that some children are able to read more and more confidently, and that's why we do have those longer extracts. We don't want to deny them the opportunity or the chance to have a go. We want to ensure that all children are given that opportunity. But we also know that if they don't complete the whole of the Apply Activity book or the Apply Activity sheet, that's okay. We just want to give them the opportunity to have a go. For further guidance, you can watch our training videos that will help you with these Apply Activities.